What is the largest living organism in the world? Hi guys, welcome back to Kirsten Farmstead. Today we're going to be covering lion's mane mushrooms. As you saw in the pig pen video, Kirsty mentioned I'm having some back problems right now. So I'm trying everything in the book, and I came upon lion's mane. I'm also trying turmeric and some other things, but today we'll go over the lion's mane. So we just got back from the health food store and picked up this delicious mushroom right here. This is lion's mane. Okay, and it got its name because it looks like a lion's mane. So we got about 2 pounds of it. Okay, this is both for culinary and medicinal purposes. Okay, people eat it either cooking it on a griddle, and you can eat it, and they say it tastes like lobster or a crab. They also dry it, which we're also going to be doing, and you can make a powder, like a supplement powder, and you can put it in your coffee, your tea, or a soup, or just with your food, and take it daily, okay? Now, like with any mushrooms, you have to start at a smaller dose and work your way up, okay? That way you can make sure that your body doesn't have an allergic reaction to it, okay? So the recommended dose is 250 to 1,000 milligrams, depending on what you're trying to get out of it. If you're trying to get a long-term supplement out of it, okay, as in you're just wanting the health effects of it, okay, go with the lower supplement. If you're wanting something immediately, like my back problem, and you're wanting to get something a more aggressive dose, okay, work your way up to that higher dose, fix the problem, and then maintain it at a lower dose, okay? So this is the lion's mane mushroom. We're going to freeze dry some of it and make a powder, and I'm also going to cook some of it. It has been found so many benefits, helping your heart, your brain, your gut health, and helps all the nerves and everything kind of rebuild. Lion's mane can also help with anxiety, depression, helps alleviate diabetes symptoms, okay? Helps lower blood pressure, has lots and lots of benefits, okay? Now, the studies they've done, this can speed up nerve recovery 23 to 41% faster than not using it, okay? So I really am hopeful for it. All right, I'm gonna start by chopping these up and getting these ready for the freeze dryer. Have the base facing you, okay? And you can do them in nice slices, okay? So for our freeze dryer, they don't like you having food above the top of the tray. It's okay if it's something that's fluffy. It's all right. Okay. Look at that, guys. Just like a lion's mane. Mushrooms are amazing. Look at that. Now, some people may want to watch, okay, just handling the mushrooms, make sure you don't have a reaction to them. Okay, mushrooms are very powerful. Okay, just moving a mushroom around releases the spores off of it. Okay, so I'm going to test you guys a little bit. Do some research, okay? I'll give a slight pause. What is the largest living organism in the world? All right, so the largest living organism is the honey mushroom, okay? It's growing in Oregon. It's estimated at 8,652 years old. Isn't that crazy? That's a pretty old mushroom. But yeah, it spreads across many acres. All right, so we're going to do 3 trays in the freeze dryer. I think I might do another tray I'm gonna figure out what else I'm gonna put in there because our freeze dryer can have the 4 trays in there. So we'll see. I'll figure something else out fun to put in there with the mushrooms. Okay. So there you have it, guys. All right, guys. So here's the lion's mane mushroom. Okay. Look at all the pores through it. Okay. Kind of looks like the tree of life. We're gonna get these all frozen up and get them in the freeze dryer. All right, I'm gonna get the rest of these lion's manes cut up and cooked. Okay, we're gonna make a lion's mane gnocchi. All right, so first I'm going to saute the lion's mane. Okay, then we're going to get our pasta cooking and we'll get everything combined up. Should be delicious. I'm super excited and super hungry. Got the butter in the pan. Give this a second to melt up, okay? I don't want any of these mushrooms sticking. Look at that. It all melted down. Okay. While that's melting, I'm going to add the gnocchi to the boiling water, okay? This is a mushroom gnocchi, so it's real fitting for the meal. Okay. We have our lion's mane all cut up. Okay. We're just going to place it out. Oh, it smells so good, guys. You're going to cook the gnocchi for about 6 minutes. Okay. All right. So I have the mushrooms at a medium heat. All right, guys. So we're ready to flip the mushrooms now. Look at that. See how it looks almost like a chicken. Okay, like a chicken breast. Flip that one over. Okay. I'm thinking twice about using the utensil that I chose. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. All right, we'll cook them a little bit longer and we're gonna pull them off that heat and we're gonna get everything combined into the gnocchi, okay? Once I strain it out, we'll get all the seasonings and everything added together. All right, guys, so we had a little bit of a battery malfunction on the phone. We got all the ingredients added into our dish, gnocchi and lion's mane, okay? I added in about half a cup of ricotta, the gnocchi, 2 lion's mane mushrooms, salt, pepper, some fresh freeze-dried garlic. We also added in a little bit of butter in there to smooth out the sauce. It combined together to make a delicious dish. Thank you for joining us, guys. Have a good evening. Good night. All right, guys, our freeze-dried mushrooms are done. We have them all jarred up, and look at that. They look awesome. Don't they look good, Colt? Now, we're going to be able to use these in a variety of ways, okay? I went over a couple of them. We can take some of these and we can put them in little capsules as daily vitamin supplements. Okay, remember I'm no doctor, but the way I'm using them is to help with my back and try to help with the nerve regrowth. Okay, and they say taking small amounts daily will help with that. You can grind this up and put it in your soups or add it to your coffee to get the daily supplement as well. Put it in all your dishes in your kitchen, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. It has a good flavor, and it's a good mushroom. All right, guys. Well, thank you for joining us through this process. And like always, come back to Kirshner Farmstead for more cooking and farming. And make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already. Have a good night. Bye.